Here's a quick roundup of what transpired today. We are made to understand that President Robert Mugabe, who was supposed to leave for Harare today, did not do so because he wanted to attend a crucial meeting that was dealing with the Democratic Republic of Congo. We'll give you an update of that particular meeting tomorrow. And also of significance today was the meeting on counter-terrorism that was chaired by the United States President Barack Obama, in which world leaders were discussing issues on how to combat terrorism in Syria, in Iraq, and also in Nigeria and Somalia. And lastly, there was a high-level meeting of civic leaders who met to discuss how they can also be accommodated by the United Nations in issues to do with human rights and also world peace. This is Blessing Zulu reporting from the United Nations General Assembly headquarters here in New York.